Is the 2023 Q50 the most valuable vehicle within Infiniti's lineup? I think so, and I'll tell you why. All right, so for starters, you will get standard in this a twin turbo V6 that's going to give you 300 horsepower. Okay? You're going to have an around view monitor, once again standard, so you're not paying a premium for this. You're going to have your front camera as well as forward sonar sensors. So when you're pulling forward into a parking space or your garage, you'll have visibility and the sensors to warn you as you're getting closer to an object. Come around this way. You've got your fog lights, your daytime running lights, your high beams and your low beams, all LED. You're gonna have standard on this vehicle, 19-inch wheels. Please excuse the dirt, it's the scenery. You come around to the side, once again, you've got your turn signals built into the side mirrors. You've got blind spot warning also standard on this. There's no upcharge for it. This is standard in the Luxe trim. You've got easy entry, so you simply put your hand in the handle and pull, and there you have it, the door is open. From the inside, once again, no upcharge, standard on this vehicle, which is why I think this has the most value within the Infiniti lineup. Memory seats, as well as an awesome Bose 16 speaker sound system with a subwoofer for that little extra okay? Power fold inside mirrors, leather upholstery, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, sunroof as well. What more can you possibly add to this vehicle at that $45,000 price point? Well, follow me back here and I'll show you. You're also going to have a backup camera in addition to the side and front cameras. You're also going to have your rear sensors. So in the instance where you're backing up and maybe there is a child, a dog, a car, or something behind the vehicle, this has the capability of applying the brake to stop itself. You'll also have intelligent cruise control. You'll also have blind spot warning and lane departure warning as well. That is why this vehicle, the 2023 Q50, in my opinion, within Infiniti's lineup, gives you the best value. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and follow the channel. Have a great day.